This is the Spur gear center distance calculator, which determines the optimal spacing between two meshing spur gears. Let's look at the input fields. First, we have number of teeth. Gear 1, shown as N1, where you enter the tooth count for your first gear. Next is number of teeth. Gear 2, shown as N2, for your second gear's tooth count. Then we need to specify the gear size using either module in millimeters or diametral pitch in teeth per inch. For our example, I'll enter 20 teeth for gear 1 and 30 teeth for gear 2. I'll use a module of 2.5 millimeters, leaving the diametral pitch field empty since these are inverse measurements and you only need one. After clicking Calculate Center Distance, the Results section displays the calculated center distance between the two gears. This measurement ensures proper meshing without interference or excessive backlash. The calculator processes your inputs instantly, giving you the precise spacing needed for your gear train design. Whether you're designing a gearbox or checking existing gear assemblies, this tool streamlines your calculations. Find the link in the description below.